Hello everyone, I am Axel Wittek, and in this video I would like to show you how you can edit several parts at the same time. And it makes a difference in WSCAD whether you open the part management via Insert, Part, or via Tools, Master Data, Part Management. If we use the first method, Insert Part, then it is also possible to change the parts here. To do this, we click on the respective part on the right and then on Change, or even better, on F4. If we work in this way, however, we can only change each part one by one with great effort. And we remember when we double-click a part, then we have this part or the symbol for it free to place on the mouse. But if we go via Tools, Master Data, Part Management, then it's a different story. Then we are, so to speak, in the Part Management editing mode. Here we can double-click directly in the respective cells of a part without having to open it first via the properties. We also have the advantage of being able to filter by category, or of course, use the search function to narrow down the items that we might want to edit at the same time. I would like to show you a few possible examples below. To do this, I have selected the circuit breaker category. Now I can show or hide additional columns by right-clicking on any column name. For example, I could show the combs in order to change the comb of certain coil symbols together. I can also pick symbol cabinet and symbol electrical to change the symbols for several shared items at the same time. The same applies to the step number or voltage. Possibly also the power loss for our heat calculation interfaces. You can also find videos on this on YouTube. Another possibility could be external documents to attach the data sheets. Take a look at our YouTube video documentation at the touch of a button. And of course, you can also display your own user-defined fields. So now we can make certain changes tabularly. For example, here, this is a 3-pole machine and a single pole machine is stored, so I can swap this out. I can simply transfer certain values using copy-paste, i.e. Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. We can specify the power dissipation and of course also transfer this with copy-paste. However, it might also make much more sense to have the information you enter here, including the SAP number, available in an Excel list. You can then sort this Excel list in the same way as our part management is sorted here and copy and paste entire columns.